Now look at this. I'll try to recall things which we have studied in standard parabola, right side opening parabola. So your parabola will look like y square equals to 4ax. Okay, so what is this? This is right side opening parabola. Okay, now look at this. I'll be asking you some questions and you have to answer. Okay, now look at this. So you know that this is your right side opening parabola, correct? Now be super slow. Let me ask you something. So can you please tell me who is this person? This is your focus. Okay, and try to recall your focus. Focus was a comma 0, correct? Means look at this, the coefficient of 4x. Okay, means how you will get focus? First you will divide your coefficient of x. You will divide coefficient of x by 4. You will end up getting focus. Samjha? Who is this thing? This is your vertex. So vertex is 0 comma 0. Now who is this equation? Straight line? It is directrix. Okay, please have command over those lines, words. Okay, directrix. Okay, so this was your focus, this was your vertex. So equation of directrix was what? X equals to minus a, means the number of steps you have taken to reach here, you have to take back to go back to directrix. So x equals to minus a. Now do you remember that we have something, some chord which is perpendicular to axis of parabola? Okay, let's go with axis of parabola first. Axis of parabola. Okay, so if, like, you know that axis of parabola is symmetric, it's a line from which parabola is symmetric. So it is x-axis right now, है ना? X-axis we call as y equals to 0. Now tell me the name of this thing. This is a chord perpendicular to axis of parabola. So you know it is double ordinate. Okay, because its y coordinate is same. Now you know a unique double ordinate which will pass through the focus. We have special name for that. Exactly, latus rectum. Latus rectum, है ना? Now can you please tell me the coordinates of latus rectum? You know it is a comma 0. So here also it will be a, and you will substitute value of x as a to get these things done. So a comma 2a, a comma minus 2a. So this is your latus rectum, endpoints of latus rectum. Okay, and then we have studied length of LR, latus rectum. So you know that you will go 2 steps above x-axis, so you have to go 2 steps below x-axis. So 2 to 4, so it is 4a. So this is some results related to standard parabola. Okay, the first right side opening parabola. Now look at this. I'll tell you one more point. So if y square is there, so either you will have right side opening parabola, left side opening parabola. You know if x square is there, upper opening parabola, lower opening parabola. So here if you have y square, you will have right side opening or left side opening. Okay, so you know that if it is x square and leading coefficient is positive, upper opening parabola. Upper opening parabola means what? Like towards positive y, है ना. So if y square is equal to 4ax, it is positive, so you will get towards positive x. Okay, now I'll tell you another parabola. Y square equals to minus 4ax. You know that this thing I can get by replacing x with negative x. Do you remember the transformation of graph? If x is replaced by minus x, we used to erase negative x and we have to take image of the previous one. Okay, so this time you will have, like suppose this is directrix, you will have a parabola, and we will not find out, like derive the way we did in first part. Okay, we will take help of those things, that's it. Now look at this. So you know that here, sorry, you know that here we will have focus, and to get focus what we used to do, we used to divide coefficient of x by 4, है ना. So here what you will get minus a comma 0. Okay, so focus is minus a comma 0. Now vertex will be at 0 comma 0. Focus as vertex is 0 comma 0, and then this point will be what, this time it will be a comma 0. Okay, so directrix will become x equals to a. Directrix will become x equals to a. And please have command over these results, because with these basics only you will be solving so many complicated results, you'll be solving so many questions. Okay, so you should have this command over these things. Any parabola come, I know who is focus, I know where is directrix, I know what is length of latus rectum, I know where we will have axis of parabola, axis of parabola. So what is axis of parabola? Again same thing, x-axis. So x-axis means what? Y equals to 0. Okay, now go with, again you know that the chord perpendicular to the axis of parabola named as double ordinate, and we will have a chord, special chord, which will pass through the focus, is named as latus rectum. End point of latus rectum, so it is minus a, है ना. So if you substitute minus a over here, you will have 4a square, so it will become 2a, and minus a minus 2a. So you got your end point of latus rectum. Okay, now like length of latus rectum, length of LR, you know that you have to go 2 steps of above, 2 steps below, so it is 4a. Okay, I hope now you guys are comfortable with left side opening parabola. Okay, you should have great command over these things, I'm telling you. If you are not comfortable, go through this video one more time, or you can contact me. Okay, you can put your suggestion into comment box, so that later we can update something and we can include your suggestions into that part. Okay, so done with this part. Now like this time I'll be taking x square. You know that y square was independent of everything, it is not having any constant term. So here I'll be taking 4ay. I'm not taking a because a we have taken for right side opening, left side opening, so I'll be taking b, 4by. So you know that this time we will have upper opening parabola, है ना. So look at this. Now you know that here also we will have focus. Okay, now try to recall your focus. Focus we get at we used to divide, if it is upper opening parabola, we have to divide coefficient of y by 4. So you will have 0 comma b because it's on y axis, 0 comma b. Now situations are turned. So focus S is 0 comma b. Now who is this? This is vertex. Okay, so it is 0 comma 0. Now who is this? This is directrix. Okay, you know that b step above you went, now b steps you will go below, so it will become 0 comma, that point will become 0 comma minus b. So it is what? It is y equals to something, है ना? So can I write y equals to minus of b? Okay, like previously we guys are assuming x equals to a, so here things are changed, coordinates are updated. Okay, so it is parallel to x axis, that's why y equal to something. So you got your directrix. Now you know that there will be latus rectum as well. Okay, this time y coordinate will be same latus rectum. This time you know its y coordinate will be same, so b and again b, है ना? Now look at this, suppose that you will substitute y as b, so you will have what? 4b square, so it is 2b minus 2b. Okay, comfortable? Now if I'll ask you length of latus rectum, okay, these words, these technicality, you should have great command. You know that you have to go 2 steps this way. Also you can use 2-point form, you will get your result as same thing. So it is 4b. Earlier we guys are getting 4a in both the situations, now you will get 4b. Comfortable? Now this is upper opening parabola. Now I'll go with the lower opening parabola. X square equals minus 4by. Now look at this. Okay. Now you know that this is what? This is the focus. Okay. You know that for focus you have to divide coefficient of y by 4. So focus we got minus b. So can I write 0 comma minus b because x coordinate is 0 now. Now look at this point, this is vertex. Vertex is 0 comma 0. I'll change the color because I feel that you guys are getting disturbed. Okay, now you know that it is directrix. And it is what? 0 comma minus b. So it is what? 0 comma b. Correct? So can I say it is y equals to b? Earlier we guys got what? Y equals to minus b. So this time we will get y equals to b. Okay. Now we will have end point of latus rectum. So this is your latus rectum. You know that y coordinate will be same. Okay. So this point was what? 0 comma minus b. Now put minus b over y. So it will become 4b square. So it will become 2b minus b and minus 2b minus b. So you got your endpoints of latus rectum. Also if I'll ask you length of LR, so you will answer what? Sir, it is 2b that side, 2b this side, so 4b. Okay, I hope with these 4 parabolas you guys can connect yourself. Okay.